Hey, this is Max here, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can use the current day of the week inside ManyChat so that you can say something like, hey, have an awesome Friday. I get this question quite a lot and it's really easy to set up, so let me show you how to do it. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to go over to your settings and then to custom fields. Then we're going to create a new custom field that is called current date. And then it's important that you set the type of this custom field to date, because otherwise it's not going to work. And then you click create. I already have it, so I'm not going to do it again. Then you go over to your flow. Now imagine here we want to add our message that says have an awesome Friday. So to do that, we first have to add an action. We're going to drag that before the text block. We also drag the starting step over there. And then we're going to set a custom field. So we will set the custom field current date to the date of the action. So when a subscriber is going through this flow, then the current date will be saved into the current date custom field. Then we automatically continue to our message, and then we enter here, have an awesome, and then we add a variable current date, you select it, and then this is where the magic happens, is you go to date format, and then you see here some like default formats that you can add, but then you click custom format, you delete what is there, you click this thing, you go down to the current day of the week, and then you see here that we get a preview because I'm recording this on a Friday. It says Friday, and then we click save. Then I'm going to add a smiley, then I'm going to hit publish, and then I will preview it. And then when we go back over to Messenger, you see that it says, have an awesome Friday. So I think that's like a pretty cool trick. This allows you to personalize the conversation a little bit more. So if this was helpful, give it a little thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this. You also see some other tutorials on screen right now. Maybe those are also interesting. I hope so. And yeah, we'll see you in the next tutorial.